Hey y'all, it's Kia, and here's another summer DIY. Try it before you buy it. I upcycled this tank to have invisible straps. The ones I saw online were like close to $300, and we can do this for less than $5. So here's what I did. I bought some clear elastic for $3. I bought a few tanks from Walmart for $3. All you need is a needle and thread. So first things first, we're gonna cut where we want the clear elastic to start. I took a piece off and measured it to the amount of a strap that I want to cut. So if it's just an inch you want to show of clear elastic, then you cut that amount. I cut a few inches. I just measured it to my liking. Once you know how long you want it to be, then you're going to measure it again, tank top, and you're just going to cut that piece off of the tank top like I'm doing here. So now we've cut off one piece, and then you're going to measure it again with the against the clear elastic. You're going to cut off the other piece, so you'll just have like this big gap on your strap. Here's where you need your needle and thread. Now with the clear elastic, all you're going to do is get your needle and thread, and you're going to go in and out. You tie a knot at the end of the thread and just push it going up and push it going down, push it going up and push it going down until it feels very secure. Keep playing with it. I can't tell you how many knots or how many times you have to do this, but just do it until it feels secure. That's it. Y'all can tell me, oh, Nikia, I don't. So come on, that it's steady. You should be able to do this. Once it's secure to one side of the tank, you're going to secure it to the other side of the tank. So the missing part of what you just cut out, you're now going to sew this in the middle of that. So you're replacing what you just cut pretty much with that clear strap. You just do the same thing in and out, a few passes until it feels nice and secure for you. Superstar. Look at that, y'all. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. It gives the clear effect. I feel like because I'm on camera, you can see it well, but look, you get that clear effect, that cool tank top like it's kind of missing. And we're going to do this with another tank. It's the same method. You're going to cut where you feel like it's going to give you the best effect. Chop that bad boy off. Cut it, cut it, cut it. T-shirt is too different. We need, you know what I'm saying. Okay, so this is like the most kind of tricky part of this whole DIY, and I just want you to pay close attention to how I fold this up. When I'm going to sew this down to the elastic band, I want it to layer on top of each other like that. So we take out our handy dandy needle and thread, and we're gonna sew that down so it's tight and taut like that. You see that? Look at that. Do that. So now we're going to sew the same way the elastic band on top of the tank like we did the other tank until it's snug, until it's secure. It looks good, seamless. That don't look bad. You know it. We're going to attach it. I stretch my elastic band out because I want to make sure it's going to be fitted. You don't want no loose band. That's going to take away the effect. You don't have to be an overachiever. You can do this project while you're wearing the shirt. You just want to make sure it's nice and secure. And, you don't want this thing to pop off on you if you're doing this for like a concert or just a cute DIY to wear with your jeans. And look, it turned out so good. I love how it looks. I love it.